So, in kind of preparing for today, this turned into the brief for this turned into an awful lot of questions, and it's actually a really terrifying brief. And I thought, well, I should just do the things that I know. And then I thought, actually, that's fairly boring. Why don't we try and answer all of these questions? So we're going to have a crack at it. It means that the first task is actually going to be a little bit super geeky. And then once you get through that, it's basically a load of videos and nice, softer, sort of fluffier things. Hopefully it's interesting. I've kind of filled with fear that it's not interesting and it's not useful. Shout out if you're of that opinion. Where do we start? So, I believe in a world of digital that doesn't involve screens. I believe in a world of digital that is where we're going, not where we are. I firmly am convinced that the things that we value, artifacts and art and performance and the live, will remain just as valuable for the next 500 years. I firmly believe that all the little screens that we carry in our pockets will disappear. Because at its best, when you remove the little screens, when you take the power of this internet, which is actually awesomely powerful, as we all know, because we use it all day, every day. Hello. All right. Oh, really? Am I a bit soft? I can just talk. Oh, okay. The share moment. This makes it a whole different experience. This is a completely different presentation thing. So, when digital began, so when you remove the digital, when you remove the phone, when you remove the computer, when you actually hide these things and you allow the internet part to kind of infuse itself into physical objects. This is a lovely project from a group called Berg, where they basically printed tickets, train tickets, so that on every train ticket, it gave you a moment during the train ticket where you should look out the window, and it would tell you something that about 11:34. I'm not sure why they tried to do it on British Rail. That was a stupid idea, but. It would tell you what you were going past, theoretically. The internet becomes magical and becomes very, very, very intimate. And I'm going to talk very quickly about this. I'm going to talk about the idea of streams and tools and signals, which are how things break down at the moment, and then how we find that through sensors and speech, and then how we consume that through things like wearable technology and the quantified self, and then what that might mean for you. So